objectives for today will be to recognize among the different structures of sentences. 2. Form sentences of different structures. 3. Read the following sentences, then identify the subject and the verb in each. 1. Phoenicians traded murex-dyed fabrics. 2. Phoenicians traded murex-dyed fabric and they built ships out of cedar trees. 3. Phoenicians became rich because they traded murex-dyed fabric. 4. Phoenicians become rich because they traded murex-dyed fabric and they built ships out of cedar trees. Sentence 1 is formed of one subject and one verb. This makes up one independent clause. Sentence 2 is formed of two subjects and two verbs. It is made up of two independent clauses. Sentence 3 is formed of two subjects and two verbs. It is made up of two clauses, independent and dependent. Sentence 4 is formed of three subjects and three verbs. It is made up of three clauses, two independent and one dependent. What does connect these sentences? Sentence 1 is said to be simple sentence formed of one independent clause. Sentence 2 is a compound sentence formed of two independent clauses connected by a coordinating conjunction, and. Sentence 3 is a complex sentence formed of two clauses, independent and dependent, connected by a subordinating conjunction, because. Sentence 3 is a compound complex sentence formed of three clauses, two independent and one dependent, connected by a coordinating and a subordinating conjunction respectively. Conclusion. There are four different sentence structures. Simple sentence, compound sentence, complex sentence, compound complex sentence. Simple sentence is the sentence formed of only one independent clause. Example. The Phoenicians sailed across the Mediterranean. It is a one independent clause. A compound sentence is the sentence that is formed of two independent clauses connected by a coordinating conjunction. For, and, nor, but, or, yet, so. Example. The royals loved to wear purple dyed clothes, for it was a distinguished color. It is a two independent clauses connected by for. Complex sentence is the sentence that is formed of two clauses, one independent and the other is dependent, connected by a subordinating conjunction. When, while, because, if, so that, since, before, after, until, as soon as. Example. The Phoenicians sailed across the Mediterranean, until they became popular traders. It is about two clauses. One of them is independent, and the other is dependent. A compound complex sentence is the sentence that is formed of three clauses, two independent and one dependent, connected by coordinating and subordinating conjunction respectively. Example. The Phoenicians sailed across the Mediterranean and they exchanged a variety of goods, until they became popular traders. It is about 3 clauses. 2 of them are independent. And of them is dependent. Now, complete the workbook exercises writing the answers on your copybooks. Identify the dependent and the independent clauses, and then label the following sentences as simple, compound, complex, or compound complex. Nowadays industrialists extract purple dye from insects. This is the independent clause. Because it is cheaper than getting it from shells. This is the dependent clause. They are connected by because. It is a complex sentence. Complete the following clauses to get full sentences. The shore is full of murex shells. In it is well exploited by people.